we're going to work on taking a simple melody and making it sound bluegrassy. This is the number one sort of requested topic I often get, and I'd like to work on it and show you how I work on that myself. And we're going to take the common melody, Your Love Is Like a Flowers. First thing we're going to do is learn the simple vocal melody, note for note. So I'm just going to play the chords here, and let's just sing through the melody a couple times to get it in our ear. So melody goes, oh, they tell me your love is like a flower, in the springtime blossom so fair, in the fall wind it withers away, dear, and they tell me that's the way of your love. Again, oh, they tell me your love is like a flower in the springtime. In the springtime blossom so fair. In the fall wind it withers. In the fall wind it withers away, dear. They tell me that's the way. They tell me that's the way of your love. So we're going to learn this in 3 or 4 keys, but we're starting in the key of G. We've got the melody in our head now. We want to prime our fingers to be able to find the melody notes by playing the pentatonic scale associated with the key of the song. So let's start with the G pentatonic scale. From open G, that's where we want to start. Play it with me. And then from that note, G twice as high. By playing 2 octaves of the pentatonic scale associated with the key of the song, you're basically priming your fingers to find all the notes that you'll need for the melody. This melody has 98% notes out of the G pentatonic scale, even when you're playing over a C and a D chord. There's only 1 note in the entire melody that leaves it. So that's why that's always a good starting point. That's kind of true of most songs. Good, let's learn this melody. I'll just, if you haven't heard it before, I'll demonstrate it for you. And so you can see my fingers here. I'm going to do the first few notes. Oh, they tell me your love. Just going up the G pentatonic scale. Up and down, basically. Alright, so we got, oh, they tell me your love is like a flower. From A note, like a flower. Okay. That's what we have so far. In the springtime blossom so fair, all G pentatonic. I'm going to demonstrate really quickly. If you weren't learning this from a teacher, you weren't learning call and response, how I'd recommend doing this is playing along with the vocal melody of the song. So notice I'm playing along with the vocal part, not the instrumental part.